Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create AI daily brief in Notion dashboard. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create AI daily brief in Notion dashboard, all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, you need to simply get logged in into your account. After getting logged in into your account, you need to simply have a daily notes or journal section. So you can simply have it in your database. So once you are in your section, you can simply select a daily base new page or choose from a template accordingly. Now you can use an AI block like create daily note database and create a page template. After this, you can add an AI summary block by typing in /AI. Once you have typed in /AI, you can simply have it as a summary block on your page. So this block is pre-programmed to summarize the content of the page it's in. You can customize the prompt if desired, and you can use the template daily to create a daily brief kind of stuff. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.